You thought everything was fine, but suddenly your local authority in Germany has cancelled your address. No letter, no warning, just gone. If that sounds like a nightmare, stay with me. Because today I'm going to walk through exactly what Abmeldung von Amts wegen means and what you need to do to avoid serious problems with your legal status, your finances, or even your passport. Without a deregistration certificate, you're stuck. No visa renewal, new passport update, sometimes even your bank account gets blocked. And the worst part, most people only find out when it's too late. My name is Frankfurth, founder of Deregistration.de. We've helped more than 35,000 people successfully deregister from Germany, especially when things get messy, like missing paperwork, bureaucratic chaos, or language issues. We are the experts who get it done. Let's go through it step by step. Chapter 1. What is Abmeldung von Amts wegen? It means your local registration office deregistered you from their records without you doing anything. They assumed you no longer live there. Why? Your email bounced back. Your landlord told them you moved out. You didn't reply to an official letter. And it doesn't matter if you actively living in Germany. If the office thinks you're gone, you're gone. Chapter 2. Why does this happen? Here are the most common triggers. Returned mail, no updated address, no reply to official communication. Your landlord reports you moved out. You left Germany without formally deregistering. These affect thousands of people each year, especially expats, students, and short-term residents. We once had a client who moved apartments in Frankfurth but forgot to register the new address. 3 months later, her health insurance stopped. Why? She was deregistered by the city without knowing it. Chapter 3. What happens when it does? This is where it gets serious. You lose access to child benefits. Your health insurance may be cancelled. Your bank might be freeze your account. Your tax status changes. And official mail, it no longer reaches you. Some people only find out when their German bank sends a letter. We closed your account due to address issues. Or when they try to renew their passport and are told you're no longer registered in Germany. Chapter 4. Here are 2 cases. Case 1 is you're still in Germany. If this was a mistake, go to your city office immediately. Bring your rental contract, a landlord confirmation, Vermieterbescheinigung, your passport or ID card, utility bills like electricity or internet. Tell them clearly, I still live here. Please correct the records. Be polite but firm. If needed, file a written objection. If you need help formulating it, we have a sample objection letter template on our website. Case 2. You are already abroad. This is one more complicated. If you are abroad and suddenly need your deregistration certificate, maybe for a visa or tax issue or passport renewal, you may face delays. Many citizen offices won't send documents abroad unless you send a certified copy of your ID. You give someone a power of attorney or both, and many don't respond in English. Every city has its own rules. That's why it's so frustrating. Chapter 6. Receiving the certificate. People assume the certificate comes automatically, but that's not true. It isn't automatic. Delivery abroad can take weeks, and some offices don't send it internationally at all. Tip: assign someone in German to receive it on your behalf, or let us handle the process. Chapter 7. Language barriers. Many citizen offices ignore emails in English. Forms are only in German. Websites, confusing. No clear contact person. That's where we come in. We communicate with authorities in fluent German, quickly, professionally, and effectively. We know the system. We know what works. Chapter 8. Wrong deregistration date. This is a hidden problem. If the deregistration date or your move out date wrong, it can affect your taxes, create insurance gaps, and cause issues with your new country's immigration office. You can request a correction, but you need proof, like flight tickets, lease termination confirmation, or entry stamps in your passport. Every city handles this differently. Chapter 9. Why this is so difficult. There are over 11,000 local registration offices in Germany. Each one has their own email address, forms, rules, response times. There's no central system. Some reply to emails in 2 days, others never. Some want a scan form, others need a handwritten letter. Even native Germans struggle with this system. Chapter 10. Didn't receive your certificate. It's not too late. You can still request a certificate later, but it takes work. Prove your identity, maybe notarize documents, and possibly authorize someone to act for you. We handle this for our clients all the time. It takes more effort than a standard registration, but it's absolutely doable. Chapter 11. Real client stories. Let me share a few examples. A student in Berlin was wrongly deregistered after a landlord filed incorrect info. Her bank account was frozen. We fixed it. A couple in Canada needed the deregistration certificate for a new visa. Mail wasn't working. With the power of attorney, we got the document for them. These are just a few of hundreds of similar stories. Don't wait until it's too late. Use our free German exit checklist to make sure you don't miss anything. And if you've already been deregistered, whether by mistake or because you're abroad, we can help. We work directly with the city's offices in your name and speak in their language. All the links you need are in the video description below.